Carbon snake. This demonstration is for educational purposes only and should not be tried at home.
You can see it's already starting to turn yellow. It's starting to react. It's turning black as more carbon is being formed. It's starting to warm up quite nicely. This is an exothermic reaction. It generates heat as it reacts with the sugar to remove water. It's too hot to hold, and there we go. You don't want to inhale the fumes. They're quite irritating. They contain sulfur dioxide. So right now I'm just neutralizing some of the acid with my saturated baking soda. Thanks for watching Super Viking Science.